Welcome to Life with AI, Unlocking Your Third Brain. In these short episode series, we'll unravel the profound ways AI is reshaping our lives. Dive in with me as we uncover tools and insights that empower you to elevate your health, intellect, and help you work with maximum efficiency. I'm your host, Richard Fala. Google announced this week the upcoming release of their large AI video model called Video Poet. In today's episode, I will take you through a quick tour of what that release entails and what's currently out there in terms of tools to generate different types of videos. Some of these videos you can create from scratch, and others you can create based on existing videos and avatars. Before I take you on this quick tour, I would love to invite you to join our beta release for OpenBuild.ai. We are building an easy drag and drop AI studio so you can build your own AI recipes in just a few minutes. It's OpenBuild.ai, and as soon as we release it, we will send you an invite so you can give us your feedback. AI-powered video generation is certainly one of the most anticipated features for 2024, primarily because video production, between shooting, editing, and releasing, takes a lot of time. So any AI-powered tools that allow us to get there faster are going to be very exciting, and I'm personally looking forward to something that can produce things of quality. Now, 2023 have seen the release of some of these products, but they were primarily either too short, too robotic, or they are missing an arm, fingers, or relying heavily on stock videos. I'm going to show you some of these examples. Now, what is the most exciting about this new Google release is the following. So the first thing is that they use multimodal input. That means it's not only text prompts that you can create to generate these videos, but also you can parse an image. You can upload your own video, an image, and even audio to generate the final result. This allows for creative combinations and really unique outcomes. Also, the videos are high quality, like you see right here. Most of the video generations available right now, although they create the content, the video quality is pixelated and not quite there. In this example too, you can see there's a sound. So the sound was uploaded first, and then this video was created. So you upload the voice, you create the prompt, and then it generates this video, which is quite cool. This technology holds potential for various creative and practical applications, like artistic video art, creating explainer videos, or even editing existing footage. Now, while its capabilities are very impressive, the issue with this is just a research. It's not released yet. It's not publicly available. We cannot test it. And this is probably the second announcement by Google after they announced Gemini that wasn't available to the public as well. This highly anticipated release, I'm really excited for once it's out, primarily because it can go beyond 4 or 5 seconds and extends to about 30. You can overlay it with voice. You can also do image to video or video to video. And it has some editing capabilities, like you can change backgrounds, you can add effects, like you see the original video versus this one. And these are the prompts. It says, add a meteor shower falls behind the raccoons. It has also some stylization, so you can say, create the same video, but in red and white woodcut. Get a magical snow-covered forest. You can change backgrounds, make them 3D, and a lot more. They have some other options here, so you can extend the footage. These are, for instance, videos that don't have the top at the bottom. You were able to extend it, so they call this outpainting. You can replace parts, so you can highlight, let's say, this part of the input and add a teddy bear on top of it. This one is awesome. I've always wanted to overlay things in videos and make the editing very simple. And in this example, you can see they added a dolphin to it. Now, all of this, I'm pretty sure, because it's not released and I cannot attest for it to show it live, it's probably part edited and staged. But what they're promising here, it's next level and it's very useful. So what's available out there? What has been created that could compete? Let's start with Meta's AI, Make Video. This one also still in research, but you can see how the picture is quite pixelated in this example. They have some surreal, like a teddy bear painting a portrait, robot dancing in Times Square. Again, very pixelated, not high quality at all. You can do some stylization to it, but all these videos are capped just for a few seconds. They could change single images to animated images, and you can add some additional creative to your video. So these two are probably the ones that you should be on the lookout for. They're not out yet. This one is by Meta, and this one is by Google. Now, OpenAI will definitely come up with their own model. They primarily have been focused on content, on document analysis, the creative aspect of ChatGPT, and DALL-E 2 with their image generation. Other tools available, and these probably were the ones that have been commercialized the most, are avatars. Like d-id.com, you can either choose an avatar, type in the text, or generate text with AI, and then you'll have the avatar speak the copy that you have parsed. You can even upload your own videos of yourself to generate yourself speaking. It could be still image, it could be a video. Type in the text, and this engine will actually animate your lips. Now, I wasn't a big fan of the end result when I used it. My lips were too big, my eyes were not natural. But if you use one of their own avatars, it can do a decent job in communicating the text that you have here. Not to mention the audio is using AI, which means you might sound a little bit of that robotic feel to it. HeyGen is another one. What I like about HeyGen versus the ID is that they actually do some facial animation and expressions that could be a little bit closer to being natural versus the DID, but still you can tell definitely that these are AI generated. I highly advise you compare HeyGen and the ID, and there are a few others as well, like Synthesia. Check them out and see which one works best for you. Some AI video generation tools like InVideo, they use stock videos available. So you parse it a command, they will put together a short clip, overlay the music, and these are actual footage. This is not generated from scratch. InVideo is great if you're trying to create short form videos. Just parse it a small command. You can parse the copy, specify the length. You can see this is 30 seconds, which is a lot longer than some of these other tools, and the result is reasonable. Some tools like Pika, they create the videos from scratch. Now notice the quality of these videos are not good. I started from an image, and you can see this the unnatural kind of flow. All I ask is, can you animate the background and animate the copy? Look at my eyes, it's just quite unnatural. This one, I ask it the prompt, a man chopping a tree in the woods. This is probably not usable in my opinion. It's only 3 seconds. There's nothing natural about this video, and the quality is not quite there. I look forward to seeing how they're gonna progress this year with better quality videos. Then come Runway ML, which is probably the most popular tool, the first to take traction. You can start from text, you can start from an image, or you can upload your own image and description. So I ask it to create a man in the wild chopping a tree with an axe, same prompt pretty much, and the end result was this one. You can tell immediately from the arms or the fingers that they are not natural. The axe is not natural as well, and it's only 3 seconds. So for me, this is still unusable, although the technology is cool, and you can tell the quality is interesting, but the output, for me, is not usable yet. As you can see, AI-powered video is getting there, surely but slowly. The tools available have not provided the quality that we look for, but that's just the beginning. This is an industry in its infancy. The ones that are gaining the most traction and have been commercialized are the AI avatars, because You can use your own avatar, you can use an available template, and it can speak longer form videos without the expectations of backgrounds and other elements that will take place in the video output. With that being said, I look forward for this Google release, which holds a lot of promises. If they can deliver on it, hopefully they will release it soon and not hold it to the end of 2024. I'm sure we'll be doing more videos on this, especially AI video production, and to see what OpenAI will be doing this year in that particular content type. Thank you so much for watching this episode. If you like my content, please like, share, or subscribe to support the channel so I can keep bringing some of the latest and most relevant things in AI to you. Thank you, and I hope to see you on the next episode.